Carpenter shot dead in unpredicted attack in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. The Westmoreland police are probing the circumstances surrounding Saturday night shooting death of a carpenter in his community. The deceased has been identified as 38-year-old Tyrone James of Aldea Westmoreland address. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m., James was standing along the roadway when he was pounced upon and shot by armed men. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The Bluefield police are investigating and have not established any motive behind the deadly attack. This has been Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.